This cold front is going to bring relief from the heat starting late tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures are going to get a little bit warmer tomorrow, and we keep the sunshine. Actually, I was just shivering in my shoes out here. On this map here, not all potential touchdowns are noted, and some of the activity that we see here may very well be because of straight line winds. So the National Weather Service is out today surveying the damage. A severe thunderstorm warning in effect for you right now. Looking out for damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, some quarter-sized hail as well, and excessive lightning here. This storm moving east at 20 miles per hour will impact the eastern shore. Imagine this very cold air just sinking on in. Take a look out to the surf. That has not changed all morning long. It's been white water all morning long. The current is incredibly strong. For the next 7 days, the forecast is a dry one. Hence, we've got that fire weather watch in effect for tomorrow because we've got dry conditions. It will be warm and windy, so very risky tomorrow to start any fires. And not a huge snow event here, but nonetheless something a little bit exciting to talk about as we make our way through the next 24 hours. Here is that snowmaker. I can actually just almost skate around on this surface here. The heart of this storm, the most likely place where we would see a tornado touch down will be in Great Bridge at 7:56. Do we look alike, guys? What do you think?
Small resemblance.
Yeah, small resemblance. She's super small. This is Vanessa. She's going to be available for adoption tomorrow at the Norfolk SPCA. She's mostly Chihuahua, and what I've learned so far is that she loves to give kisses. So still a Category 1 storm, but is expected to strengthen to a Category 4 storm by midweek. There aren't many people out and about, as you can imagine. People are probably enjoying this from the inside of their homes today. Great day to sit inside, read a book, watch a movie, and of course, stay tuned to News Channel 3 because we'll continue to keep you updated on this storm all day long as Earl makes its way up the coast and off to the northeast.
Trouble in the weather department.
Yeah, we saw Juliet with blue skies out at the oceanfront, but other folks, they're not seeing blue skies, Vanessa.
Not at all, Kurt. In fact, some are dealing with potentially quarter-sized hail right now, and those would be people in Poquoson that are dealing with severe thunderstorms. There's also a severe thunderstorm for Yorktown as well as Newport News and Hampton, but I want to focus on this purple to black core here that likely indicates some pretty large hail. So that thankfully is moving east. We'll be out over water soon, but nonetheless a very strong storm moving across portions of the peninsula right now and also across the eastern shore right here between Bird's Nest and Exmoor. Likely some small hail, certainly intense rain, a little bit of lightning, not a severe thunderstorm, but a strong one. And we've got one more storm that I've been watching closely on Live Viper radar, a little bit longer here, impacting a greater area. Going to be moving through Tar Heel as well as Winton and Minola and Ahoskie in the not too distant future as this line is moving east at 20 miles per hour. In Virginia Beach right now, all is clear, so that's a good thing. Looking good for those going to the ocean front right now, but certainly doesn't mean that we won't see something pop up there, so we'll be keeping a close watch for you. All this activity being sparked by this cold front. The cold front does make an impact as you move into your weekend. Here's what you can expect. Ahead, it's going to be 80s and less humid. That will be the biggest impact from this cold front, the lower humidity levels and a slight decrease in temperatures. Storms not likely this weekend, so the severe weather out there right now will not carry through. Storms do become very likely, though. There's a chance on Monday, best bet, Tuesday into Wednesday as another cold front crosses the Commonwealth. Here's a look at highs today. We hit 93 in Elizabeth City, 86 in Chesapeake, 88 in Norfolk, and 90 in Melfa. As we move through the weekend, as I mentioned, temperatures dropping just by a bit. So the highs for you tomorrow, 86 in Melfa as well as Cape Charles will be at 85 in Wallops Island. For the peninsulas, 87 in Gloucester, 88 in Williamsburg, 87 in Newport News, and 86 in Hampton. Sky conditions tomorrow, mostly sunny for the most part. Sometimes you'll see a few more clouds out there. Winds will be out of the north at 10 miles per hour. Across the south side, we'll top out at 87 at the beach, 89 in Chesapeake, 90 in Franklin, 86 in Portsmouth, 88 in Suffolk, and across northeastern North Carolina. High of 87 tomorrow in Manio, 86 in Nags Head, holding on to 91 in Ahoskie and 90 in Elizabeth City, but forecasting a high of 89 in Edenton. Now your Live Viper planning forecast for your Sunday. A few more clouds around, temperatures maybe a degree or two warmer, and we are looking at a chance, slight chance for afternoon showers and storms, and that would be across northeastern North Carolina. Look at what you have for the rest of the time. Again, it is that chance of showers and storms with the best bet of wet weather arriving Tuesday into Wednesday. Temperatures holding on pretty steady here, guys. But again, this weekend, great difference in the humidity levels, which many will be pleased to hear.
please meaning lower humidity
Yes,
levels?
yes.
Oh, I love it. That is reason to smile.
It is.
I love the heat as long as the humidity is a little lower. So
you'll like this weekend's forecast.
All right. Thank you, Vanessa.
You're welcome.
Vanessa Murdoch.
Well, we're just a little bit more than 45 minutes away from 2011. So how's the forecast looking? Well, you know what? It's going to be a little bit warmer to bring in the new year. Highs tomorrow around 60. We also have some wet weather on the way. It arrives tomorrow night and sticks around through Sunday. And then after that, it is back into the 40s for the first full week of the new year. Now, right now on Live Viper Radar, we're tracking a long line of showers and thunderstorms, severe weather, in fact. Now, this storm system will be making its way closer to us, bringing us the wet weather starting tomorrow night and sticking around through Sunday. But thankfully, no severe weather for us right here in Hampton Roads in northeastern North Carolina. But we will be dealing with rain. So let's take a look hour by hour at what you can expect starting at midnight tonight. Starting at the first minute of 2011, skies will be clear as we head toward tomorrow morning. A few passing clouds, but as we move into the afternoon hours, those clouds are going to quickly thicken ahead of that storm system. So expect mostly cloudy skies by afternoon, cloudy skies by 6 o'clock, and after dark is when we start to get that chance for wet weather. Here you see it, 9 o'clock. Rain moving into the forecast, and rain sticks around overnight and even through the day on Sunday. We're looking at more rain in the forecast. So at least it will be warm out there, and this will all be in the form of rain, no snow. So for the first day of 2011, we start your day at 38 degrees. If you pass in clouds, southwest winds at 5 miles per hour. By afternoon, we've warmed to 60 degrees, some slightly below that number, some slightly above. Skies will be mostly cloudy, southwest winds at 10 miles per hour. By evening, cooling off to 55 degrees under cloudy skies. Slight chance of some showers at this point with winds out of the southwest at 10 miles per hour. Overnight Saturday into Sunday, we're looking at rain in the forecast. Temperatures falling to 48 degrees. Southwest winds at up to 15 miles per hour. Now look at your Live Viper planning forecast and what remains as we make our way through the rest of your weekend. For Sunday, a high of 55 degrees, staying warm with wet weather staying in the forecast. For Monday, it clears on out, but temperatures cool down back to where we should be, essentially in the mid and upper 40s for Monday all the way through next Friday. Tuesday brings in the next chance of wet weather after this weekend, and other than that, it's just a pretty seasonable sun-filled forecast.
So Vanessa's New Year's gift to you, no snow on the weekend.
That's right. I'm sure many will be happy to hear that. And the rain really should melt away what's left of the snow, and there's still a lot of it out there, with the exception of those huge piles in parking lots. Those will be around for a while.
I was really surprised. One of my friends actually made a snowman today with what was still out there.
It's still there. It's hard to get rid of in those shady spots.